in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us know. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a media road. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Subella Hair. I've worked with Subella Hair a couple of times, and I feel like personally that they are more so known for their curtain bang wigs. So with that being said, they sent over one of their curtain bang wigs by the name of Curtain Bangs Glueless HD Lace Wig Chic Retro Body Wave Human Hair Wigs with Adjustable Strap. When you pull your unit out of the packaging, this is what she's gonna look like. As you can see, she does come with pre-curls, but also she comes with two rollers in the front because Subella gonna make sure that curtain part is curled. Now they offer this unit in multiple lengths of 10 inches all the way down to 30 inches, and I received the 24 inch. They also offer this unit in different lace spaces of 8x5, 13x4, and 13x6. This go around, I received the 8x5, and I say this go around because I received the same unit from Subella before, but only in a 13x4, and if I'm thinking correctly, I love the unit. Now with that 13x4 unit, I remember receiving that in 220% density. They also offer 150% and 180% density as well. With this 24 inch 8x5 unit, I want to say she is more so feeling like 150. It might be 180. I'm not sure. What I do know is that was a lot of numbers. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side, and then 1 in the very center of the unit. It doesn't come with any adjustable straps here in the back, but it does come with a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. Again, this is an 8x5, so you are going to get 8 inches going across the front of the unit and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. Based off the tint of the lace, you can tell that this unit has been pre-bleached. But in my opinion, I feel like you could go in and bleach it again just because some of the knots are still visible. As you can see, the unit does come with pre-cut lace. Oh, not a roller trying to run from us. The unit does come with pre-cut lace, and it comes with a slightly pre-plucked hairline. In my opinion, the hairline doesn't have to be like overly pre-plucked because I mean it is a curtain bang wig, so therefore the hair is going to fall in your face. But okay, that's enough of me jacking my jaws. Let's go ahead and install Miss Girl, and then of course I'll come back with my pros and cons at the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Subella. We're going to start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be I am getting some shedding. Now, I will say that it's not like single excessive strands of hair that's shedding, but it's more so like small clusters of hair. It's almost like little clusters are like coming off of the track of the hair, and so far, I want to say I've had about 3. My next con about this unit, which honestly, I can't even believe that I'm saying that this is a con, but I don't know, to me, it's both a pro and a con. It's the fact that this unit is low-key too big. Now I did go in and adjust my security band to make the unit fit a little bit tighter, but I don't know, it's like I almost wish that the unit still had adjustable straps in the back as well. I feel like having adjustable straps in the back would help the unit fit just a little bit tighter, especially seeing as how I'm wearing this unit completely glueless right now. Like I said, I did go in and adjust the security band, but I don't know, it's just like, I don't know. I'm always talking about how I like my units to be big head friendly because, you know, I want a little bit of extra space in the back. Well, you know, to make sure that they're big head friendly and whatnot. And this unit for sure gives that, and that's why I say she is both a pro and a con. But the con side of it is that the unit can easily shift back. And then again, like maybe if I went in and used my spray, I wouldn't feel this way, but I don't know, she's moving very easily. And although this unit is fitting a little bit on the bigger side, she's not giving big wig. Like, she's still laying pretty flat in my opinion. But now let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit. I absolutely love the styling of her. I didn't have to do too much whatsoever. I mean, if you guys watched the whole video all the way through, then you know that pretty much I cut some off of the bottom and I added like a little bit of layering like in the front of the unit, but that's it. I didn't even go in and recurl this unit. And with the amount of times that I've run my fingers through this unit and the curls still haven't fallen, I have high hopes that the curls will stay intact or will go back to being intact. Well, I'll have to curl it first. Girl, what I'm saying is once after I wash it, I feel like it'll still be able to hold a curl very well. Seeing as how this is a curtain bang unit, I was a little bit nervous thinking that the curtain part might have been cut a little bit too short, but it was actually cut really nicely. I can't lie, I always get a little bit nervous with like pre-cut units just because everybody's way of cutting is different, and also everybody's face shape, face length and whatnot is different as well. So you know, sometimes it can look perfect and sometimes it can look a little bit wonky. Another pro for this unit is that she feels super soft. When you first take this unit out of the pack, I'm not gonna lie, she will feel a little bit hard and crunchy, and I'm pretty sure that's due to the hairspray that they use, you know, to make sure that the curls hold and whatnot. But once you comb her out, whether that's with your fingers or a wide tooth comb, she feels super soft. My last pro about this unit is the lace space. Again, she is an 8x5, but to me, it's giving more than that because this is where she's stopping, like, we're starting and stopping on each side of my head. The lace, I cannot talk. The lace is starting right here and then it's ending right here on this side. Like, that's pretty much covering the whole front part of my forehead. My hairline. Bless it, y'all. I need to go make myself something to eat. Whew. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is if you are not in the business of like trying to work with a 13x4 or a 13x6, like it's just too much for you, definitely pick up one of these 8x5s because you're pretty much still going to get that whole frontal effect without having to do all the frontal work. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, I don't think I have anything else to say about this unit. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.